On today's episode of Cooking for Kyle, we will be making lasagna. Today on Cooking for Kyle, we're going to be learning how to make a day-old lasagna. So the first thing that you're going to want is a refrigerator, because if you don't have a refrigerator, your day-old lasagna is going to not be very good to eat. So we're going to open the door and see if we can find, oh yes, there it is right there, the day-old lasagna. We're going to remove it from the, you've done that, we can remove the aluminum foil, thus revealing the delicious lasagna underneath. Take anything, I may use a pizza cutter, and plate it. And if you see any other like chunks of meat or cheese in there that you want on your plate, you can take those too. Now cleanup's a breeze, because all we've got to do is put the foil back on and put it back into the refrigerator, and we're done. Some people heat up their leftover lasagna, but that's insane. Cold lasagna is awesome.